So I was in North Kivu, which is in Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo, and I was working with Save the Children on their family planning and post-abortion care in conflict settings program. My role is I was conducting a program assessment for their family planning client follow-up project, and they were missing a lot of information in their office in Washington, D.C., so they sent me to try to figure out what was going on with the program and why they weren't getting the data that they wanted. I found survey design extremely helpful in designing my tools for the assessment. I designed a semi-structured questionnaire as well as an observation checklist, and I also found investigative methods helpful for just thinking about what I was trying to learn from these interviews. Yes, I was extremely happy to actually gain experience in a conflict area, since I feel like in this program we talk about it so often. It was really great to see what it's like to be in a war zone on the ground, and I think I'm still thinking through what all that means and what that means for my future. But it was extremely eye-opening, and coming back, especially taking the public health and humanitarian assistance class this semester, has made me think a lot about what our role is, and what using what I learned from the field this summer and applying that to what we're learning in class is actually a really cool experience. Yeah, I have a couple high points. The high point of the program maybe when one day when we were visiting MSF hospital in Masisi. Oh, they have a project there called a maternity waiting home, which is actually pretty popular around the world. And the high point was just walking into this community of amazing women, amazing pregnant women who were laughing and having so much fun with one another. And, just to think of that time in their lives when they don't have any other responsibilities, they don't have their other kids, they don't have other chores, they can come and just be women hanging out. For a lot of them, I'm sure that was the first time in their lives, and I thought that was just a really cool, a glimpse at an empowering program. Humanitarian work is extremely rewarding. I don't think I've ever been a part of a project that I've been more proud of. I've seen the benefits of the work, and so I was just really happy to be a part of that program and a part of that team. But I also learned a lot about how unglamorous a war zone actually is, and just what personal sacrifice it takes to actually live and work on the ground there. So that will as well be a major consideration when I'm choosing where I want to be next year.